Hey, we're back again. Trying to a little beekeeping here. I have the suit on. Yeah, can't get too close. Just having a little experience here. Yeah, beekeeping. Yeah, right now, just harvesting some honeycomb. Using the smoker. Yeah. So the owner is saying that by February we're gonna have some honey. Yeah. And these are the boxes.
Can't touch them now, God, them are putty. Remember honey I go from top. Yeah. As them young be the hatch out. So far, just put that in the plate. Boy, I not really know, I not check them. Just put it back, cover the screen with OBQ. You know. You change the cover. Put on back too. Yeah.
Can't wait to get started. Unfortunately, I'm not suited, so I can't get too close. Yeah, these are the bee boxes, hives. Yeah, I really can't get too close. Yeah, see, they're starting to act up already. I'm not really suited that well. I need to get myself a suit. My friend just invited me over here, saying he's going to go by his beekeeper friend. Yeah, so these are the other boxes. They're up there, just having a little conversation. Yeah, I mean, I really can't wait to delve into it, get myself a suit, and just gain more experience. The course that I did, natural beekeeping, I learned a lot about bees, how to catch them using the lemongrass oil to gather them, different kinds of hives. Yeah. Yeah, they're getting closer. I can't get too close, they'll sting me because
Okay. Move on.
No. Okay. Oh yeah, they're actually following me. Look, that's the honey. So honey. More boxes. Okay. I see a dead one. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Here we have two boxes here. Almost thought I was gonna get stung there. Yeah. Yeah. Learning. Yeah, really learning. Got some more boxes over here. Yeah. Some more boxes. Some more boxes there. Yeah, smoking again, and yeah, seems they're biting a lot. Yeah, they're starting to surround me too. I got to be careful, but it's quite the experience. Yeah. This hive seems to be quite crazy hive. Yeah, the beekeeper has warned me. Ah. Okay.
Okay. When we don't put in picture. Yeah. One. Where you only man number come at you? Yeah, wow. Can you see me not there?
Going on with them?
Do this here. Me a tease them. Then I don't know pet women too. Okay. So got them in a walk on full on.
Take a big man, because big man see what?
What?
One thing again?